So what we have here is, I'm live on location here. I got a call to come fix the phone. I was like, yeah, sure, I can do that. Actually, he was messaging me because he couldn't call me. This is his iPhone 8. This thing's all glass, all right? And look at that. Do you see that? It's got a heck of a malfunction, doesn't it? And plus, he was telling me that it types on its own and ghosts on its own, like a ghost is typing. So we see that quite a bit. Anyways, check this out. I mean, if you look at that screen, it's brand new, but the LCD underneath has an issue, and unfortunately the assembly itself will have to be swapped out. And that's what I'm getting ready to do. So stand by and keep watching. I'll turn on some NPR so you can...
AT&T climbed 0.2%. And we heard from Kristen about Walmart's proposed COVID-19 vaccine mandate for employees.
Okay, there we go. So the issue I found on this bad boy was very simply the home button was not really connected to the board, and that caused a failure in this bad boy. So we got it fixed up. Happy to fix it up. Lots of issues here, but we're back to game day here, and it's all good now. It's all good. It's all good. I'm very happy to report that this phone is fixed. Awesome. Let's go ahead and close it up.
Companies and governments a daily view of Earth from space, empowering them to make timely decisions and solve problems in a rapidly changing world.
It's very warm, and I believe it's very warm because the power management unit inside, which is a chip, has probably a lingering problem over the life of the phone. I've seen this time and time again, but it's not a problem right now, but it will become a problem eventually. It's just a design defect from Apple. It's kind of how it goes. Anyways, appreciate you guys out there. I do hope you're having a fantastic day. Everyone calls me the iPhone Doc. I'm done with this. And until next time, folks,
she won the Pulitzer Prize this year for her play The Hot
we
Lady,
shall see you later.
Family, sexuality, and black masculinity. She's also the producer and writer of the Broadway show Tina, the Tina Turner musical.
We'll see you later. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Night of the life of Martin